Hello everyone, welcome to Festival for Canada. It's day 3 of 3, and it's the finals for the Collingwood Idol. This is our 3rd annual Collingwood Idol. We've had a great time. We were downtown doing all the auditions for Saturday and Sunday, and today we have the finals. Ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce Miss Emma Wright.
See your true colors shining through. I see your true colors, and that's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors are beautiful, like a
Ladies and gentlemen, Miranda La Calamita.
Spend all your time waiting for that second chance, for a break that would make it okay. There's always some reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. I need some distraction, oh beautiful release. Memories seep from my veins, let me be empty.
Ladies and gentlemen, Orla Malloy.
Not really sure how to feel about it. Something in the way you move makes me feel like I can't live without you, and it takes me all the way. I want you to stay. It's not much of a life you're living. It's not just something you take, it's given. Round and around and around and around we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, Abby Woodhouse.
And I'm alone again, nowhere to go, no one to turn to. I do not want your money, sir. I came here cause I was told to. And now the night is near, and I can make believe he's here. Sometimes I walk in the night when everybody else is sleeping. I think of him and then I'm happy with the company I'm keeping. The city goes to bed, I can live inside my head. On my own, pretending he's beside me. All alone, I walk with him till morning.
Ladies and gentlemen, Heather Gosling.
I've been trying to do it right. I've been living a lonely life. I've been sleeping here instead. I've been sleeping in my bed. Sleeping in my bed. So show me family, all the blood that I would bleed. I don't know where I belong. I don't know
understand.
Oh, yay! Much better. Milady, good citizens of Collingwood, whereas Queen Victoria declared by proclamation the joining of the provinces of Canada, New Brunswick, and Nova Scotia under the Constitution Act to form one country to be named Canada on July 1st in the year of our Lord, 1867. And whereas 2013 is the year of the Korean War veteran, celebrating the 60th anniversary of the ceasefire, and we remember the 26,000 men and women in uniform who came to the aid of South Korea, and the 516 who gave their lives for freedom. Let it be known that we gather here today to celebrate the 146th birthday of our great country. We can also celebrate 155 years of our wonderful town of Collingwood, envied by many around the world as the best place to live, work, and play. And God bless Canada and all Canadians. Long live the Queen! Ladies and gentlemen, it is my duty, and indeed a great honor, to introduce the Mayor of Collingwood, Her Worship, Sandra Cooper.
Happy Canada Day, everyone! We just take a second and thank our town crier, Ken Templeman. He's done an amazing job all weekend. Ken, thank you. Well done. And with us this evening, I have Councillor Edwards. I believe he's in the second last row up there, waiting patiently, as all of you are, for the fireworks. So we'll move on to those after the announcements of the the Collingwood Idols. And it's been a busy weekend, an exciting weekend in Collingwood, and certainly a weekend, July 1st, to just remind ourselves how proud we are to be Canadians. Yes, let's give ourselves a round of applause for that one. So I'd also just take a minute and recognize the judges who have judged in the competition over the weekend. It's been a tough go, I would say, because having listened for the last 2 days downtown to the many talented individuals, I thank you very much to those competitors, and as well to the judges. Thank you very much. As well to our town staff, both to Karen and Chris. You've done an amazing job. When we were down serving and eating pancakes this morning, they were here setting up for this evening's event. So thank you very much, Karen and Chris, for your great dedication this weekend. It's Canada's 146th birthday this year, and we'll celebrate it as big as we do every other year. The fireworks that will come up shortly, it'll be fantastic. So stick around and watch for the winners, first, second, and third prize for our talented individuals, and as well for the fireworks. Thank you very much.
Hello, everyone. Hello. It's Festival for Canada. Welcome to Collingwood Idol. We have the tallies are done now. Thank you for voting. We capped out at 5,000 votes. And we stop at 5,000 votes. I'm going to announce third position, number 3. Ladies and gentlemen, for $100, Emma Wright.
Emma, congratulations. And you were here before performing, and you did your best, and it was wonderful to listen to you. Congratulations.
Well done, Emma. All right, what comes after 3? That's it. Number 2. We're pleased to present Orla Malloy.
Orla, congratulations. Well done. And I know that you competed in the past as well. Determination, confidence, well done. So congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, what comes after 2? Three comes after 2. You are correct. It's our pleasure to announce the 2013 Collingwood Idol is Heather Gosling.
Heather, you were amazing, and I know it was quite a competition, but thank you to the judges. Thank you as well to those that tweeted and texted and Facebooked and voted, participated today. So congratulations. What a way to end up with Happy Canada Day.
Heather, you won.
I just can't believe it.
Congratulations again.
Thank you.
What are you going to sing?
Gotta go with a Canadian band since it is Canada Day. So, We Kings by the Tragically Hip.
Perfect. Our champion, Heather Gosling.
Sundown near the Paris of the prairies, we kings have all their treasures buried, and all you
your 2013 champion, Collingwood Idol. Well, they're going to start any second now, so we want to take this moment to say, hey, Happy Canada Day. Hey, Happy Canada Day. Happy Canada Day, and now it's fireworks time.